Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here. So, we are here for our daily cipher. That is what I want to do now. Later on, I'm going to do a separate video for the game. Just immediately I'm done with this daily cipher. As for daily combo, today is very expensive, so I'll let it to pass. I'm not doing daily combo, it's expensive. So let's get on with our daily cipher. So already we have clicked the daily cipher button. We already clicked it. That's why we are in cipher mode like this. So let's go on and review what is today's word. Today's word is locker. 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 So without wasting time, let's get on with it. Well, as usual, we're going to consult our chart board. And our chart board is this. And how do you spell letter L? Letter L is spelled as dot dash dot dot. Okay? Dot dash dot dot. Dot is just tap on your phone, and dash is hold a little bit and release. Okay? So let's go and do that. Dot dash dot dot. Okay? So we dot dash dot dot. So letter L has been activated. So we move on to letter O. Letter O. And letter O is spelled as dash, dash, dash. Okay? Hold, hold, hold. But release, hold, release, hold, release. So let's get on with it. Hold, hold, hold. Letter O. Okay? So the next letter is letter C. The third letter is letter C. And how do we spell letter C? Let's go on. Letter C is spelled as dash dot dash dot dash dash dot dash. Okay, so we go on and play it. Dash dot dash dash dot dash dot. Right? Letter C. Okay. So we move on to letter K. And how do we spell letter K? Letter K is spelled as dash dot dash. This is K. Dash dot dash. Just one dot in between the two dashes. Okay, so let's do that. Dash dot dash. Dash dot dash. That is letter K. So letter E, which is the easiest letter. I think letter E and letter T is the easiest letter. So letter E, just one tap on the phone, one dot. One dot. Okay, let's do that. Dot. And that is letter E. So the last but not the least is letter R. Letter R. Please, if you're just joining this YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Okay, it will not cost you anything. I promise you that. It's just for you to know whenever I post a video like this, because we post video like this every day. Okay, so letter R is spelled as dot dash dots. Okay, dot dash dot. So let's do that. Dot dash dot. Dot dash dot. And that is letter R. And that concludes the word locker. We take the price. And that is that. Okay, so I will see you on the next one when the new Morse code will come out tomorrow. Have a good one and take care. Bye bye.